Exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. In exothermic reaction, energy is released during the formation of the product. And in endothermic reaction, energy is absorbed during the formation of the product. In the equation form, exothermic reaction can be written as reactant giving product plus energy, meaning this much amount of energy got released when reactant got converted into product. Under endothermic reaction, equation takes the form reactant plus energy giving product, indicating reactant has absorbed this much amount of energy to get converted into product. Normally in exothermic reaction, we feel the heating effect, and in endothermic reaction, we feel the cooling effect. Common day-to-day life example for exothermic reaction is dissolution of detergent in water. If you make our hand wet and hold the detergent in our hand, we can sense a mild heating effect. Endothermic reaction example is quite famous, dissolution of glucose in water. If we hold the container or the glass, we can see the cooling effect. Few more examples under exothermic reaction. Calcium oxide reacting with water, giving calcium hydroxide plus energy. Calcium oxide is also called as quicklime. Calcium hydroxide is also called as slakelime. Second example, magnesium reacting with oxygen, giving magnesium oxide plus energy. Burning of natural gas is also an exothermic reaction. Natural gas is nothing but methane. Burning means treating methane with oxygen. This reaction gives carbon dioxide and water as products, plus energy gets released. This energy we use it for cooking and other purposes. Respiration, which is happening inside our body, is also an example for exothermic reaction. Chemically, respiration means burning of glucose inside the body. Glucose, which is present inside the body as a solution in water, reacts with oxygen that is also dissolved in bloodstream within the body, giving carbon dioxide and water as the product. Physical state of carbon dioxide is mentioned as aqueous here because carbon dioxide initially when it gets released to the bloodstream. In this reaction, energy gets released. This released energy is what we use to do work. Decomposition of vegetable matter into compost is also an example for exothermic reaction. If you are having the first-hand experience of composting, then you can feel mild heating sensation after few days of starting composting. Few examples under endothermic reaction. Dissolution of glucose in water, giving aqueous solution of glucose. All of us have experienced the cooling effect with this reaction at home. Another reaction is dissolution of ammonium nitrate in water, giving aqueous solution of ammonium nitrate. Even with this reaction, we can feel the cooling effect.